I'm Gwinnett County DUI defense lawyer Rick Rising. Today I'm going to talk to you about negotiating your case. You might be facing a loss of job as a result of your DUI arrest. If you're a pilot, if you're a driver for some reason, if you're in sales, if you drive a company car, those are the folks that I see that are desperate to try to avoid a DUI conviction. There are a lot of ways we can avoid a DUI conviction, but the only guaranteed way to do that is to get your case dismissed or to negotiate with the prosecutor to reduce your charge to something other than DUI. Typically, that's reckless driving. If we were able to negotiate a reckless driving in your case, that helps us avoid the risks of trial and risks of hearing, give you what you want, and might still give the prosecutor what they want. They want to make sure that you never get arrested for DUI again. And one of the things they can do that, and that we can negotiate with them, is that you serve the same sentence you would have if you were convicted of DUI. Typical DUI sentence we've discussed in an earlier video, but that's community service, an alcohol and drug evaluation, which I think is the most important component of the DUI sentence, because it's when you sit down with an evaluator who's trained to determine whether you have an alcohol problem. If you do, they're very good at determining whether you need treatment. If you need treatment, that you're going to have to do that treatment as a result of your plea and as a result of that evaluation. That would be a part of your sentence. That would be a part of what you would have to prove to probation each time that you report to your probation officer that you've completed. You would receive 12 months probation as well. And during that time, the probation officer would monitor you and make sure that you're doing all the portions of your sentence that we negotiated with the prosecutor and that the judge determined that you would have to serve. You would have to pay a fine just like on a DUI. The minimum fine is $300, the maximum fine is $1,000. You would have to go to DUI school. It's typically a 20-hour class. You do a set of 8 hours on Saturday, 8 hours on Sunday, and typically 4 hours on a Monday night.